Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. I enjoy making sauces because they elevate many dishes. In every cuisine around the world, the use of sauce is very common. In Asia, they serve sauces with almost everything. There's an Indonesian one that I really enjoy making because it is so versatile. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Indonesian peanut sauce. This recipe has delicious layers of flavors. It's a combination of sweet, sour, and spicy. It can be served as a dipping sauce for satay or mixed in noodles. This is an awesome recipe to keep in your folder. So my friends, let's get cooking. In a jar of a blender, we'll combine peanut butter, coconut sugar, minced ginger, pressed garlic, sesame oil, soy sauce, a little bit of lime juice, red pepper flakes, and chicken broth. We'll process the mixture on medium speed, but because of the thickness of the peanut butter, we'll have to stop a few times to help mix it better and also to clean the sides of the jar. We'll continue blending until the sauce is nice and smooth before transferring it to a small saucepan. Next, we'll warm up the sauce on medium-low heat, stirring often. Now, because I use it today as a dipping sauce for my chicken satay, warm is good. But when I use it to mix with my Japanese chicken soba noodles, I crank the heat slightly to simmer gently. Otherwise, the ingredients may separate. When it's warm enough, we'll remove from the heat and serve immediately. And my friends, this is our Indonesian peanut sauce. It has some sweet and has some heat. Just a great combination of ingredients nicely blend together. This Asian sauce is so versatile. Besides using it as a dipping sauce or in noodles, you can also use it as a marinade, in stir fries, as a dressing, or as a spread. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!